Hi, in this lesson, we will learn how to format a table and make it look better. First, we start from the row 2. We select all the columns until column N and click on the merge and center. Then, we select the first 2 rows and make it look slightly bigger than the rest of the table. We change the color and make it bold. After that, we do the same for row 3. We apply the same style to row 8. We change the color and we make it bold. And we apply some custom row style. Now, we apply some style to the row 4. Now always remember that 2 neighboring rows should have different colors. We make the total bold and apply some style. Now, we do the same for this one as well. Finally, we apply some styles to the row 19. Now, we have a better looking table.